Hey ladies! Okay, so I'm gonna go on a new tab and then I'm gonna type here screencast-o-matic, and then you just click this one and it should take you to this page. So then you click record for free and then you do the launch free recorder. Now, because I'm using it right now, it's not gonna show up, but usually once you click that, it will download a file for you on the bottom left corner. And then once that's done, you can click to open it, and then it should come up like this little black box here with the margins that you can adjust. So then that little box has like options if you want to do just sound recording, or you want to do also like where it shows your screen and you as you're talking, and you just put that over whatever slide you're talking about, and then just kind of enlarge it to where it crops in your slide and it can show your slide, and then you click start. This one will be a recording button down here. It will look like that. And you do that to record, and then once you're done, you just click pause.